Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to make a DIY wreath from dollar store frames, wire frames, and we're also gonna get some wire from Walmart, and we're gonna use branches from juniper trees or eastern red cedars, and also some white pine needles and branches. So we're gonna make our own with some dried fruit as well. Stay tuned, we're gonna make a Williamsburg-style wreath for Christmas. Like if you go to Old Town Williamsburg for Christmas, you're gonna see beautiful handmade wreaths on people's doors, and they have like, you know, dried fruits and cloves and just really neat stuff on them. So we're gonna mimic that, but it's gonna be the cheaper version and our own handmade version. And we're gonna gift it to my parents for Christmas. Wire, get it from Walmart, it's floral wire. This is what we're gonna use to attach the stuff to the frame. All right, we've got dollar store wire wreath frames. We've got our 2 bags, one full of white pine needles that we got. We trimmed off some trees. And my son trimmed our juniper trees or cedar trees and filled a whole bag with, oh my gosh, that smells so good. Anyway, we're gonna use both of these combined along with some dried fruits. We've got our frame, our wire, and gloves because pine trees, especially white pine trees, are very sappy. Not the, oh, such a sap, but really sappy. They're sticky. So, all right, so John is wiring this section here. We're just bunching them and adding the bunches and wiring them here first, and then we're gonna wire them to the frame. Got our finalized first part. We're gonna come over here. We're gonna open up our bag of juniper clippings. See, beautiful juniper. All right, so we've cut a few of these juniper tree branches. Beautiful blueberries on them. And we're gonna place them inside, just like this one I just put there. I'm gonna put them in here, kind of like this sort of thing. And we're gonna wire them in there so it'll look beautiful when it's done. My mom actually loves the color blue. It's her favorite color in the entire world. So we're gonna put little pops of blue in her wreath. Here is phase 2. We've incorporated the little juniper parts here. And of course we could always make it crazier, but I'm doing simple. And then we're gonna add our lemons. Now, these are our lemon slices. They're almost 100% dehydrated, but I dehydrated them in our dehydrator. And we're gonna take them out. We've got our lemon piece here. See, it's nice and, well, it's mostly dry. It'll dry in the air too. Anyway, so we're gonna place these kind of in different areas. We're gonna pin them with our wire to the center of the lemon so that it kind of gets plugged into our wreath. And we'll see what it looks like. See, this is all we're doing is just wiring these here so we can just place them in here and wire them in accordingly. And there we got our pine cones. Beautiful. Now we have our lemons. And voila! Look at what we've got. That is gonna be right there. What? Look how beautiful that is. This is all just from stuff that we, I guess you could call it, foraged from my parents' yard and our yard. So these pine cones here and these white pine are from pine trees, the white pine trees. And these lemons, we just got a lemon from the grocery store. I think it was maybe 2 lemons that I got, and I sliced them up and I dehydrated them in our dehydrator. And then we also got from our property the juniper berry tree clippings, and we put them in there. It's pretty simple, but it's absolutely beautiful. I'm very happy with how it came out, actually. And there you have it, folks. So here is our finished product. Absolutely awesome. It was a lot of fun to make, and I coerced my kids to maybe help me a little bit on it, but was a good test to see how well it came out, and I think it looks really good. Gorgeous. We hope you enjoyed this episode, and if you make one just like this or your own version, please do show us what you did, and we hope you have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. See ya.